Hello everyone, welcome to this course on vocabulary. In this session, we will learn about some words related to the field of psychology. And if you want to do exercises related to these words, then refer to the book Word Power Made Easy, which is written by Norman Lewis. Now let us start with our session. Have you ever wondered about the mysterious world of the mind? The field of psychology delves into the intricacies of our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. In this exploration, we'll unravel the meanings behind intriguing words like psychic, psychosomatic, and psychoanalysis, gaining a clearer grasp on how our mental life shapes our experiences. So let's start our journey through the realm of psychology, where we will uncover the fascinating connections between the mind and the words that describe it. The mental life, understanding psychology. Psychologists and psychiatrists both come from the Greek word psyche, which means spirit, soul, or mind. In psychiatrists, the medical healing aspect is represented by iatheria or pain. In psychologists, it's logos, referring to science or study. A psychologist studies the mind. The field is psychology, pronounced psychology, and the describing word is psychological, pronounced psychological. Understanding psyche, the non-physical part of you. Psyche is a word by itself. It means your mental life or the non-physical part of who you are. Psychic describes things that can't be explained by just the physical world. People might be called psychic if they seem to have a special sense or gift that's hard to explain logically. Emotional disturbances, psychic and psychopathic. When someone's troubles are more about emotions or the mind than the body, they are called psychic. For example, if someone has a sixth sense or a special ability to read minds, they could be called psychic. But when someone is dealing with a severe mental or emotional disorder, it's called psychopathic. Mind and body connection, psychosomatic. Psyche combines with soma or body to make psychosomatic, meaning that the mind, especially the unconscious part, affects bodily diseases. Sometimes emotional worries can cause physical symptoms like a bad cold or a backache. Understanding psychosomatic disorders. Psychosomatic disorders have real symptoms like headaches and pains, but no physical cause can be found. The cause is believed to be in the mind. For instance, someone's unconscious worry might make them catch a cold. Exploring the unconscious, psychoanalysis. Psychoanalysis involves deeply looking into the unconscious mind, a technique developed by Sigmund Freud. This helps find hidden reasons behind fears and tensions. Once understood, these reasons might fade away. A closer look, how psychoanalysis works. Imagine you have asthma without a physical reason. A psychoanalyst helps you explore your past to find out if something hidden is causing it. Maybe you find out that you developed asthma because you wanted more attention from your parents. Other therapies, new approaches. There are newer therapies like Gestalt, bioenergetics, and transactional analysis. These claim to give faster results than Freudian therapy. In any case, therapy, in this case psychotherapy, is the way to treat mental and emotional issues. Conclusion: Understanding psychology. So, psychologists and psychiatrists study the mind, and psychology helps us understand the non-physical part of ourselves. Psychic refers to unexplainable abilities, while psychopathic describes severe mental issues. Psychosomatic connects mind and body, and psychoanalysis helps uncover hidden reasons. Different therapies, including newer ones, can help treat emotional issues. So, this was the words and vocabulary related to the field of psychology. We will meet in the next video with some other field and words related to that. Until then, bye bye and thank you.